bubble skirts or balloon skirts or puffball skirts, I think someone has called them. Whatever it's called, I'm talking about this skirt right here that has been trending this year. The other day I was shopping and I saw a black one and a white one. I decided to buy them, and today I thought that I would style them for you. So I have the skirts here. This is the white one and the black one. The black one is a size smaller than the white one, so it's gonna sit a little bit lower. Let's start styling the black one first. So I just put on a dark gray t-shirt because I think I'm gonna go for a little bit more darker ballet kind of vibe with this outfit. I think I want just ballerina ballet shoes, and I have ones that are a little bit of a velvety material. I have these ones. They look like this and they have this cute little detail on the side, and I'm just gonna wear socks with this because I feel like socks has been trending. I'm gonna go for this bag. It's like a little bit of red brownish color. This tiara matches my shoes with this detail here and this detail here. I have this necklace that I've made myself with 3 different hearts. I think that's gonna match really nice with my tiara that has a heart as well. So this is the outfit, and I really like the accessories on this outfit. I love that this necklace has hearts that matches with my tiara, and the tiara matches with my shoes. So yeah, so now I'm gonna style the white dress, no, not the dress, the white skirt, and this time I think I'm gonna go for a little bit more sporty kind of vibe, because I have seen people style those balloon skirts with a big t-shirt and sneakers. So this one is gonna be more, I would call cute, sporty. I mean, it's bloquette, I think it's called, that aesthetic. So this is how the white skirt looks like, and the top I'm gonna go for, I think, is this one, this oversized Adidas top. I think it's nice that it has those white straps here on the arm that's gonna match with the skirt underneath, and the goal here is to have this big t-shirt, so the skirt is kind of peeking out a little bit. So this is how the top looks like with the skirt, and I think I'm just gonna tuck the top a little bit like this. For the shoes, I'm gonna continue with the sporty kind of look, and I'm gonna wear Adidas. I changed the shoelaces on these shoes because leopard is trending right now, and I think that print is kind of cute. So this is how the outfit looks like with the shoes on, and I have this pearl necklace, and pearls are a little bit more feminine, so I think it's gonna look really nice with this kind of cute sporty vibe I'm going for. I thought I would add some clips to my hair because, I don't know, add some detail, and I have those pinkish blushy ones. The outfit is almost done, and I think I'm gonna go for this bag. I actually think I'm gonna put this, I don't know what it is, maybe a fox or a dog, whatever it is, it's cute, and I'm gonna put this on. So this is how the outfit is looking like. This one is making this outfit so much better. I mean, it's so cute. So for the next outfit, I'm gonna go for a little bit more corporate kind of vibes. This style has been trending right now. So here's the blazer, and I tied it in the back. I don't know if you can see that. And I left some bottoms like this because I like the shape that it makes. And what kind of shoes? I feel like this time we are gonna go for heels. I have these heels. They have this square toe here. I don't know, do we want to wear socks with this one, or should we go without? I think we're gonna go without socks this time because we are going for this corporate kind of vibe. I'm gonna wear glasses. Let me see. I feel like a teacher, I don't know. It's giving chic teacher. The bottom half, it's kind of going out chic, cute, still this ballet vibe, and the upper side is like I have this blazer and glasses. It's giving more teacher. But anyways, I feel like it's still very cute. Let's see if that looks better with the hair up. Maybe, I don't know. Let's keep the hair up because it's really, I'm sweating. For this outfit, I feel like we are gonna go with this red bag, and my glasses have a little bit of a red tint to them, so it matches my bag. So this is the outfit, corporate chic kind of outfit. So I changed the blazer to this vest because I feel like I want to still try another outfit with this corporate kind of aesthetic, and this time we are gonna go with some sandals with a little bit shorter kind of heels. So let me just grab them. So here we have the sandals. They have this more kind of shiny material to them, and I have a bag in my mind that's like made for those sandals. I think they are gonna match really nice together. Let's try this black dress instead this time. Maybe if I'm going for this corporate kind of vibe, the black one is more suitable. I don't know. The bag I was talking about was this one. It's like the same material, shiny. I think it's going really nice with this outfit. Like my shoes are shiny, and then we have this bag. I feel like I'm doing weird poses like this. This is how it looks like, but I want to put on something underneath this vest. I just want to have something more to cover up. Maybe this. This is like a see-through top. It has this nice band up here. Let me see if that top looks good. I feel like it's a little bit more interesting like this. I actually want to style this outfit with gold, so I changed to gold. As you can see, the main reason why I wanted to change to gold was because I got these the other day. Those are clips for your ears. They're like earrings. The reason why I got them was more because I wanted to clip them on clothes and stuff like that. Let's see if that's gonna work. Those horses are so freaking cute, so I thought I'm gonna put them on like bottoms on this top and just clip them on like this. These hearts you can basically put on anywhere on your outfit, like on your top here, maybe on your skirt, and then you can put a little bit more higher up to make different shapes. It's starting to get a little bit dark now, so I'm gonna film a last outfit now. It could be really nice to know how to style this dress in fall as well, so we are gonna try that. So I found this red cardigan, and I feel like red is such a nice color for fall. For the shoes, I thought I will be wearing, those are a kitten heels, or kitten heels boots. I don't know how to call them. Those kitten heel boots are really nice with the skirt. They are gonna look nice with these outfits. So I'm really excited for fall because this is definitely something I will be wearing. Those boots I have been wearing like all the time when it was cold. I just put on some pearls and change back to silver. The bag I'm gonna wear is just this black one to bring a little bit black color up here with the red. So this is how the fall outfit turned out.